Yeahnahnesia is a place of spirituality. The animistic belief systems of Yeahnahnesia see all objects as vessels for spirits of the universe. A central gathering place where locals meet for prayer and the granting of frivolous wishes. This temple provides shelter from the swelter and maintains a good supply of middies and Chico rolls. Made from white limestone common to the area, the temple is admired for its many sculptural elements, totems and embroidered flags. Thought to be built at the height of the Yeahnah Empire in the early 12th century, an accurate date of creation is unknown, due to blurry record keeping owing to the island's abundant psychotropic plant life. This is the Devil's Day Off cabin, and the treasures are all in the name. There are 4 pillars facing north, west, east and south to provide a reliable forecast for incoming wind, swell and weather. Today, the island's elders refer to these shacks as cabins of maximum luxuriation and are known to adopt the same rituals and daily routines that have been carried out within these walls for centuries. The temple's alignment, as well as the cabin's contents and sculptural elements, all lead to the conclusion that the devil is indeed a shredder. The lucky, banana boner incense burner, a sacred item used to warn lovers of the perils of getting sand into, you get it. Other important artefacts of the Yeahnahs include the angry and happy fungi, the cool S, the don't fear me bowl, the lean on me dragon vase, the pig-nosed dragon cup thing, and many, many more. According to Dr. Dave Pincus, archaeologist and renowned Yeahnah expert, the temple is admired for its restrained monumentality, its finely balanced elements, and the precise arrangement of its proportions. It is a work of power, unity, and style. From all of us here at the Yeahnahnesia Artefacts Exhibition, good night. Yeah, hey, just filming for a thing.
Oh, right, good one.
No, well, not anymore, you so, yeah.